Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize key vault secrets for Azure Data Pipelines, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize key vault secrets for Azure Data Pipelines, start by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure Key Vault that contains the secrets you want to authorize. In the left sidebar, select the Access Policies section. Click on the plus Add Access Policy button. A new window will appear where you can define the access policy. Under Secret Permissions, select the permissions you want to grant, such as Get and List. Next, in the Select Principals section, choose the correct data factory from the search results. Once selected, click the Select button to add it to the access policy. After configuring the access policy, click the Add button. You will be taken back to the Access Policies page. Click the Save button to apply these changes. Now, open your Azure Data Factory instance. In the Data Factory, go to the Authors section from the left sidebar. Select the pipeline where you want to use the key vault secrets. Add a new activity, typically a copy data activity or similar. In the activity settings, look for the source or sync section where you need to use the secret. Now, instead of entering sensitive information directly, select the Linked Services option. Create a new linked service if you haven't done so already. Choose the appropriate linked service type, such as Azure Key Vault. Fill in the required details, including the Key Vault URL. In the Authentication Methods section, opt for Managed Identity if available. Save the linked service after verifying all the information. Return to your pipeline and select the linked service you just created. Specify which secret you want to use from the Key Vault. This can typically be done in the settings area of the source or sync. After everything is configured, validate your pipeline. Ensure there are no errors in the setup. Finally, trigger the pipeline to see it in action. Confirm that the secrets from the Key Vault are being accessed successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.